Hey everyone, this is me Vishal, and in this video we are gonna learn about array.from method in JavaScript. So let's start it. So let me just make an array over here, not array. So if I just tell you about array.from, so it's telling you that array.from something like that, because it's a method, so we give it an argument. Means it's basically used if you want to create a new array from a string or an existing array. Let me just tell you practically, so you will understand it more deeply. So if I just do a log and just do here array, now it's again taking array object class. So array dot from, and if I just pass here any string like Vishal and just log here, so you can see the each means part, each means character of the string has turned as a new item of the array. So it is converted it in array. So now it will not work in number, or if you are thinking it will work in boolean, that's not true. It will just create an empty array, you can see. So, and there's still one thing more that most of the people even don't tell you about. Like we can even create from existing array. Like if I just do a 1 2 3 and just put here, there's also option of putting another argument, second argument, which is function, callback function. So if I just do here, means we just get here one item, means the argument item, and we can just do item plus 1. Now the item has value of 1 2 3 1 by 1. So if I just log it here, okay, I don't need to make it here. If I just log it here, you can see 2 3 and 4, all elements of this array have just increment by 1, increased by 1. So now you may be thinking we can even do that with mapper method. Yeah, obviously we can even do that with mapper method. Now it's your choice if you want to do it or not. So that was all about array.from array method in JavaScript. So now it's your responsibility to just send this video in LinkedIn, means share it in LinkedIn, on social media. So that was all about it. Thank you.